4 or 5 years ago I got my first calendar, and ever since that one I've been behind him to send me one each year. My father Udhavji also loves his calendar. I think he might be coming here, I don't know, because he's also roaming around, but he's given his best wishes, and of course 17 and many more to go, so I hope to feature in it one of these days. सभी अच्छे हैं, मैं हर एक फोटोग्राफ देख रहा था, थोड़े अलग है, जैसे हर एक की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कुछ अलग अलग पकड़ी हुई है. Very sharp, of course, and in their own candid mood, which is the best thing. I think my friend Akshay is looking very nice. All of them actually, really nice. Because I like that one because I remember Akshay ji and I were shooting with Dabu for one of our self-defense events. So that was really nice.